இதுதான் உங்களோட favorite show Yummy Tummy with me Chef K, and today I have Tapti with me.
Hi friends, do you know what we're going to cook today? We're going to cook pasta with Alfredo sauce.
உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா, Alfredo sauce is nothing but a type of white sauce.
For today we need cheese, butter, fresh cream, milk, pepper, salt, nutmeg, Italian seasoning, and oregano, and of course pasta. First on the stove and keep it in medium. Then put 1 teaspoon butter.
இன்னைக்கு நம்ம induction stove use பண்ணி தான் cook பண்ண போறோம். So be careful. Always have an adult next to you. Smells yummy already.
Then add half a cup of fresh cream. Keep stirring or lumps will form. Chef K, can you please pass me the milk?
Milk! I hate milk, but this seems to be a fun way of having milk.
You need to add 3 tablespoons of milk. Now keep stirring. It needs to thicken. Now you should add 1 spoon of salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano, Italian seasoning, and then mix it.
Smells so yummy.
You should add some nutmeg and then mix it. I have some pasta here.
Is the pasta raw?
No, it's boiled.
Oh wow. How much pasta should we add?
You should add 1 cup of boiled pasta. And then mix it.
It looks delicious. How long should we keep stirring for?
Until the sauce is coated nicely. And now you add some cheese.
Yummy. Is there a particular type of cheese that you've used for this pasta?
Yes, it is cheddar cheese. And finally, the pasta is ready.
Oh, what an easy method. I would love to have some of this. Let's serve it. It looks so delicious.
Our pasta is ready to serve. But I forgot one thing. Top it with cheese and some Italian seasoning.
Did you know there are more than 1,700 types of pasta in the world? Today we have made penne pasta. Even though pasta is good for us, we can eat only 140 grams of pasta a day. So enjoy your pasta meal. If you like pasta, like this video, share it, subscribe to Radaan Kidz. Until then, this is Chef K with Tapti signing off.